Another package has arrived. Again, this is one again from Posh Fab Beads. Another one from her. This is the last one I've got from her. I'm so excited. She has, oh my gosh, she has such neat stuff. I don't know where she gets her stuff, but everything she gets is just so freaking awesome. So the first thing we got, these beautiful, oh my god, these are so pretty. These chocolate brown, iridescent chocolate brown beads. I think she called them faceted rondelles or something like that. But there's, oh my god, look how pretty those are, y'all. These really pretty green, I don't remember claiming these. I guess I did. These are really pretty. Some more accent beads. I got these, I really wanted these corally orange beads to go with these shrimp beads. If you saw my previous little mini bead haul, I got those little shrimp beads from my friend. I'm on the lookout for pretty orange beads to use with those. So I thought these might be cute with them. It's like a little filler bead. And then we got some little tiny white rounds. I think it was only like $1 each. I mean, you can't beat that. That's why I got these. Not super exciting, just, you know, little spacer beads, but it's $1, y'all. Look how long this is. Can't beat that. She has such good prices. Same orange color, but in a round. I also got them in a round. So that's a circle of the orange. And I also got, let's see, those flat ones in a, is this white? It's like a peachy. Is this white or peach, y'all? I'm not sure. It's like a whitey peach. No, it's peach. Now that I'm seeing it, it gets my own skin tone. It's like a peach color, like a very light pastel flesh pink color. Very cute. It'd be really great for accent beads. And then some really pretty sparkly reds. Again, there's some red beads I'm on the lookout for to match some of those. I got some teardrop shaped red coral beads. And I'm trying to look for beads to accent that, so I can use those up. And I do have a lot of red beads, you know, regardless. So I'm always on the lookout for little accent red beads. So I thought those were really pretty, very sparkly. The good stuff now, y'all. We are into the good stuff. These are so pretty. I'll do two at a time. I'll show you these. Y'all are tangled. How gorgeous are these? I absolutely love. She called them watercolor. I don't know. She called them watercolor cube blocks or something. But how gorgeous are those? This is really pretty. Not only are they sparkly, but they have these like marbling color within them, and I think they're just so pretty. Oh my god, they're so pretty. So I got them in this mint green. Got them in this really pretty like confetti color. So cute. I think I got 2 of each. Most of these I got 2 of each, so those should be duplicates. Actually, let's lay that out so you guys can see, because I know when she put them on the screen, I said, I want 2. Go ahead and give me 2, because everybody wants these, y'all. Everybody in her auctions wanted these, and they're so hard to get. You have to be really quick to claim what you want. Here's a gray one. And I knew I wouldn't be able to see them for a while, so I just went ahead and said 2, because I don't know where she gets these. Excuse me. I don't know where she gets these from, so I said, let me go ahead and just grab them now. Another mint green. That's my 2 mint green. See, okay, and here is, it's like a light pink pastel fuchsia purple. I can't really describe that. It's like fuchsia / pink, but in a pastel. Really pretty. That's another color. Okay. Let's see. Those all the colors. Here's the second gray one. Put you over there. This is, oh, this one's even darker. I think this might be, oh, this is a separate color. Okay, here's a darker pink. It's really pretty how it kind of fades. See how that kind of fades? That's so pretty. These are so pretty, y'all. Oh my god, I can't wait to use these. So that's a darker, I think that's a different color than this one. This is a different color than this one. These two are actually 2 different colors, I believe. Let's see. Okay, here's the second of that peachy fuchsia. They do kind of vary. Like when she would put them on groups on the screen, they were kind of varied. So I think this might, here it is. I think this is 2 variations of that pink. So they kind of vary. So that's these 2, very pretty, the pink. And here's my second confetti one. Aren't these cute, y'all? They're just so beautiful. Absolutely love these. And let me get 2 more. Here's the other peachy orange one. That's the second one of this one. And then here is the other purple one. There we go. And that goes together. Very, very gorgeous. How gorgeous are those, y'all? Oh my god, I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. So pretty. So pretty. I'm so happy to have these. There also some like this, but they're circles, and I missed out on those the first time because I was trying not to, you know, buy too much stuff. But hopefully she'll get more of those back. It's also come in a circle version, and they're so pretty. Let's look at these, y'all. Oh, how pretty! So freaking stinking pretty. I am really gonna have to buckle down and just have a beadathon, y'all. I'm gonna have to like mandate myself to make like 10 bracelets a day for like a month, because I have so many beads at this point, because I've been having too much fun hunting for beads that I haven't even using them. I've just been hunting for them. It's just so much fun buying beads, y'all. I don't know why. I can't stop. And now I'm buying acrylic focals now, and it's just so much fun. I think part of the fun too is just the app itself, whatnot. It's just so much fun to buy stuff on. I swear at this point I'm going on so much about them. You think I'm sponsored or something. It's not. I'm not sponsored, but I should be at this point, just how much I'm prattling on about it. So it's just such a fun app to buy beads on. Look at these, y'all. Oh my God, look at these stars. They're so pretty. She had these in several colors, but I just went ahead and got the blue. I didn't want to overdo it. And I knew I had some pink stars, the ones I got from, I think, Michael's. That's also in my mini bead haul video, those pink stars from Michael's, but I just didn't want to overdo it. And I knew I had some stars. I have those chunky stars, y'all, and I have like the stars I got from Michael's. I didn't need a bunch of stars, so I did not get any more, but these are so pretty. But I decided to go ahead and get some blue ones just because I have been buying a lot of blue beads, and I feel like, I could use these with a lot of stuff, like even that, that has a blue sparkle in it. I have a lot of blue beads, so just thought those were so pretty. Too pretty to pass up. Okay, so we got some more sparklies. Look at these. Oh my God, y'all. How gorgeous are these? Oh, so pretty. Oh my God. Do y'all see why I'm so weak now? Like, I gotta stay out of her streams. They're just so many good things at such good prices too. Look. Oh my God, let's look at that. Oh, how freaking stinking pretty. I'm just looking at it right now. I'm mesmerized. I'm definitely keeping whatever I make with these. I'm definitely keeping some for myself. You best believe it. That one's just absolutely gorgeous. Definitely keeping. And here is some blue ones I got. When I got these, I kind of had the stars in mind. These also kind of match the stars, that same kind of steel blue. Like, really actually go together perfectly. Look, they kind of blend in. Can't even tell them apart, can you? So I just have a lot of other things, these colors, and I thought, why not get stuff that you could use together, Let's see, are we down to our last one? Yes, unfortunately, the last one. This one is a sparkly. It kind of has like a green tint to it. It's kind of slightly green tinted. Very pretty, clear iridescent with a kind of green leaning tint. Absolutely freaking gorgeous. Oh my gosh, she has so many good sparklies. I have not been in her last couple shows just because I don't trust myself to not buy anything else. But oh my God, this one's, I'm definitely, oh my God. I don't know if y'all gonna get any of these, y'all. These are just too pretty. I might keep all these for myself. No, everything I make is because I'm gonna keep. This is my favorite one. This blue and purple shimmer. I'm gonna have to find what the exact name of this one is and just get some more from her because, oh my God, so freaking pretty. And that is the second one I got from her. That is the last package from her. That is coming. Everything else that's coming now is going to be my acrylic flatbacks that I've recently transitioned into obsessing over. So those are going to be the next packages. But as you can see, y'all, I have a problem. This first little set is some blue, I think dyed mother of pearl they were. Very cute, very fun to touch, very nice texture, very cute. This strand was missing a couple, but I still bought it. You'll see later in the video there's another identical strand just in a different color, and that one has all the beads on it. So I don't remember if I paid the same price for these half strand as I did the full one. I hope I didn't, but they did show it in the stream. They showed it as incomplete, so that's fine. I still wanted to bid on it because I do have a lot of blue beads. Here's the second color, a really pretty muted purple color. Now that I think about it, that I might actually go with one of the keychains I was trying to make. Huh. Interesting. I forgot I had, okay. See, I'm piecing stuff together. You see what I mean, though? The more colors you have, the more combinations you can make. So that's kind of why this is so addicting. I just think of all the possibilities. And then here is a small strand of really gorgeous glass faceted beads. Look how pretty that is. A little periwinkle blue color. Oh, my God, y'all. So pretty. I had to snatch those up. And this was from, shoot. If I can get the name, I'll put the name up on the screen, you guys, okay, from the seller. I try to credit all the sellers, just to, let you guys know where I got them from and just to credit them. If I remember who I got it from, I will put them up on the screen. So you guys can go check them out if you ever download the Whatnot app, which I do not recommend. It's so addicting, you guys. It's so addicting, as you can see. As you can see from all these hauls, I have a problem. My husband just shakes his head at me, but it's okay. I'm having fun, so that's all that matters, So this is another one I got from them, some beautiful, like, bronzy brown, what do you want to call this? I think would you call that faceted glass beads? I thought they were so pretty. And if you look at the tag, I think these came from Hobby Lobby a long, long time ago, because it looks like the Hobby Lobby tag. Isn't Bead Gallery Hobby Lobby brand? But if you look at the tag, it looks so vintage, doesn't it? It's like a vintage Bead Gallery tag. Like I said, I don't know how old, or maybe I shouldn't say vintage, but it just looks like a really old style Hobby Lobby tag. But anyway. So thank you guys for watching. That's this haul, and I'll show you guys the new stuff when it comes in. And bye. Thank you for watching. Bye.